for music, one for boxing. We don't have time. I was gonna do a try not to laugh. We don't have time. I was gonna do something else, but we don't have time. So today we're gonna just do a Reddit. Today is Friday. Tomorrow is the Sidemen charity football match. Oh baby! Dubs only in this chat. Alright, anyway, Reddit. I made KSI from 400 small Rubik's Cube. Hope KSI will enjoy. Oh my, 400, bro. Nah, bro, this, I don't believe you. Tell me why you started a fire. Oh my God. It's burning up in my head. Why do I always tell they're tiny. That it's not over yet? Oh my God. Why you gonna tear my heart out? Oh my God, bro. Nah, this is crazy. Nah, bro. This is insane. No.
This beef when I'm French
hey,
fries.
yo.
Even if I die, we can continue in the next life.
Next life.
100K, no SIs.
SIs.
Go back to the block. The boy bad like
Westlife.
I done a night shift with a fucked up light.
Mad thing. No. This is crazy. This is crazy. Oh, yeah.